Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or remove language in Windows 11. So if you want to delete or remove language in Windows 11, or you want to delete any unwanted keyboard from your Windows 11, what you have to do, first of all, just click on this Windows button here and now click on this setting option. Okay, click on it. And here you will see many options. Now here you will see time and language option. Click on it, and now here you will see language and region option. Click on it. Okay, now here you will see the language I have downloaded or installed in my Windows. So if I want to remove this Hindi basic typing of language, what I have to do, just click on this three dots here, and here you will see remove option. Just click on this remove option. You can also click on language options. Here you can see many things, but I want to remove it, so I'm going to language and region, and here I will see this language. Click on three dots and click on the remove. So like this you can remove any language or keyboard from your Windows 11. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.